Whether you're planning on selling your house or not, it's always important to make sure that you're kept up on all of your pest inspections. Now, there's a huge misconception about what a pest inspection actually is. I know the name is kind of deceiving because obviously it's pest inspection, but the pest inspector isn't only looking for pests. The main thing that they're actually looking for is water damage, things like dry rot. That's the biggest thing that we see a problem with in every single home that we have ever sold, whether we are working for the buyer or the seller. But that's one thing that you can keep up to date on, even if you're just living in your house and have no intention of selling. Reason being, because every single buyer is going to have the seller most likely pay for dry rot to be fixed. And if you're kept up on that, you don't have to worry about this huge bill once you're going to sell your home. Plus, then you can probably prevent it before it gets really bad to where you do need to replace the wood on your house. No matter where you live, water is the biggest enemy to every single home. This is why this is a huge maintenance tip that you should keep up to date on so that you don't have to worry about it later. It's super cheap also, so it's only around $115 to $130. So why not just get it taken care of so that you don't have a huge expense in the end?